warning for southwestern Christian County, Kentucky, northeastern Trigg County, Kentucky, until 3:30 p.m. At 2:46 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles west of Hopkinsville, moving northwest at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gracie, Cerulean, and possibly Cadiz. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. for the following counties in Kentucky, Christian, and Trigg.